Hi, I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling classic and modern cars since 1988.
Here we have a fabulous 1970 Triumph Herald 1360 convertible. She's in stunning condition throughout. The last owner had this car an incredible 38 years. It travelled with them from Britain to Italy and then to Ireland. It had a ground-up restoration, body off the chassis some years ago, and still presents a magnificent condition. Really striking colour. This is one fabulous little car. It's just had a brand new soft top fitted. Lovely period number plates we put on as well. Really snug inside with the roof up. So here's a picture of the chassis when the car was being restored, and today it's still in excellent condition underneath. Rock solid, it's been powder coated, sealed, and should last another 50 years. Really stunning example. All the running gear has been either replaced or restored. Engine bay is a picture. A lot of money invested here on an ongoing basis, keeping this car in top condition. Ultra reliable and drives really well. Here's inside the boot, good fuel tank and spare tyre. Comes with a reassuringly large history file.
Let's go for a little spin. Crisp gearbox, first, second, third, fourth. This car drives amazingly well. I've had many of these over the years. In fact, my first car was a Triumph Herald many years ago, but this one drives better than them all. It seems far quicker than I remember. It's really tight. Brakes well. Steering is nice and firm. Very positive. And a very crisp engine. This car spent a lot of time in Italy during its life, and I could see it driving there and back without any issue at all. It's just one of those cars. Very snug fitting roof, there's no wind noise. It really is a fabulous example.
Price of this amazing Triumph Herald is $11,950. Somewhat cheaper than a couple of the others that are on the market today. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on TRUSTPILOT in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.